Kilichingi ntito mtumurume wa ukuru wa gatagati na kugwata utungata ndani ya sibitari ya Chuka nyuma ya kubonokwa ni maabisa maborishi kumanjoranishia mwengi mtumurume uyu agwatite Mburu kumakiria kari taunini ya Chuka kirekanaga ni mwamba nyuma yawe kugwatikana gukurukira kamera cia CCTV akiyanduka ni mwenterenu na mtumurume ungi ni mwithire akwirite nja ya nyomba imwe ya gukombora ntere cia kiega nguru ni unture wikirito kiroreni OCPD wa Mara David Anyiri. Martin Mugambi arikithie riboti ino.
Muthaka uokorwa gintu miaka kibao na thiete na mbere kuoria mabirwa na nkinya maringangirwa kiri cibitari nene ya Chuka kumania na mabithwa na nkinya mpurwa kumania na aringi biashara na nkinya aturi ba tauni ya Chogoria.
Mtu umwe ukwerekanaga ni mwamba niaombire kuriewa ona nkinya geria kwithwa ni wananchi kugituikaga ati ni mwamba nitumengerire gufuatilia gwatuika kwinduka mwaraiaga utuku waru.
Komanda wa polisi kaunti nini ya Mara David Anyiri ariuga muthuganirwa karanua kageni karonirwe mitamboni ya CCTV akivunjia ndukani imwe tauni ya Chogoria na akarikwo nogu barathura na kumuthagana.
There was evidence of him having been burned. So the officers managed to rescue the said middle-aged man who had been accused of having stolen from that Triple M shop. That is a shop and a grocery owned by one lady known as Purity Nkirote.
Barire ngintere cia kiega nguru muthaka uokurwa mianka teno arethirwa atari moyo barandania nyomba cia mukomboro mbarinu indi mageria makumumenya matakinyanira mwanka thaino muthaka uyu atamenyekanite.
The body was not immediately identified by the locals, but even Mr. Raichi claims to have woken up in the morning and they found the said person lying in one of the verandas. So when he went to look for assistance to come and maybe assist him, take him to hospital, he only came back and found the guy had passed on.
Mwiri wa mututigi wiritwe kirimo charia cibitari ya Chuka kenda kwaigwa na nkinya kuruthirwo twiria. Anyiri ariuga antu bairi babithitwe tauni ya Chogoria ndeni ya kagita aku indi gutire karikare aroringwa kiri gituo kia borichi mbere ya manto mamagukarika.
For the last 1 week, today's incident is the second one. And we are only called to the scene when members of the public have decided to take the law into their hands. Whenever an offense has been committed and any suspect, they should promptly report these cases to the station.
Kiripotera Weru TV kuma gicigo mbunge kia Mara. Bitagwa Martin Mugambi.